To connect the Cloud Adapter Enterprise to your security system, you'll need its Cloud ID. This is generated automatically when you first connect it to power and network. There's two ways of getting the Cloud ID, either by typing in the Cloud Adapter's IP address into a web browser or by connecting a monitor to it. Make sure the computer you're using is connected to the same network as the Cloud Adapter and type in the adapter's IP address into a web browser. You'll see the Cloud ID straight away, and you can easily continue here to run the install process to connect your security system to the adapter. Connect a monitor to the adapter via HDMI and a keyboard. You'll be prompted for a default password, which is cloud, all lowercase. You'll then be asked to change the password. Find the text file on the desktop and the Cloud ID will be the file name. You can use this Cloud ID to connect your cameras to the adapter using the Videoloft mobile app or a web browser. If you want to set bespoke network settings for the Cloud Adapter Enterprise, you can do this when it's connected to a monitor. Go to Activities, Applications, Settings, and then Network Interfaces. Select the settings cog for the network interface card you want to alter. Here you can set the IPv4 address, subnet mask, gateway address, or DNS servers. Click Apply, and then to make sure the changes are enabled, untoggle and retoggle the NIC.